Hello, my billionaire family. Welcome back. Welcome back. I just so much love this gele, guys, and it's so easy. And the joining of this gele is just two line, oh, guys. Like seriously, just look at that. So if you have small gele at home, see, just go and bring it out. Oh, I've already come up with gele style that you can use your small gele to tie. Just look at that, and do let me know if you want me to do a DIY of this gele on my own hair. Let me tie it on my own hair. Just let me know in the comment section, guys. This gele is very easy. Like you will see that sharp I'll tie it finish. So the front I'm making it V. So just look at that. The ratio for the gele that I use is 70-30. One hand has to be longer than the other hand. So just look at that. I'm still adjusting it. So now I'm bringing it back to the front. Then remember, if you are doing your V, the number of pleats that you created first must be the same number of pleats that you will create again if you are bringing it back to the front. So now I'm using office pin to pin it down there, like so. So I'm using my office pin to pin it down there. So after that, now I'll start like creating my ruffles now, like that. Just like that. Just look at how I'm creating the ruffles, guys. This gele is very easy. Like in less than 10 minutes or 15 minutes, even that is if you are even slow, that will take you up to 15 minutes to tie. But if you are somebody that know how to tie gele before, in less than 10 minutes safe, go don finish your gele. So this is it, guys. So I'm bringing the other back hand now to the front. Use office pin to hold it there, like that. Use office pin to hold it. It's Joshua voice that you are hearing. Oh, just sorry about that. So after that, just like pinning it down that place. So if you are tying this gele on yourself or on your model, you just have to be careful not to hurt yourself, and not to hurt your model. So that is it, guys, for the gele. Do let me know if you want to see more of tutorial of gele or makeup tutorial. Do let me know at the comment section, guys. Do let me know. So that is it about the gele tutorial. Please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, like, share my video with your loved ones, and also please follow your girl on Instagram. I really appreciate it. All right, guys. I love you guys. Please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Please share my video with your loved ones. I really appreciate it. So that is it about the tutorial. That is it. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Love you. Love you, guys. That is it. Let me know what you think about this gele, if you are going to tie it to church. I love you guys. Stay safe. Bye.